If you're looking for one appliance that can truly do it all, this multifunction pressure cooker delivers on every front. It combines 10 essential cooking functions into a single, compact unit, everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to sous vide, steaming, baking, and even yogurt making. It's a true kitchen workhorse. What sets it apart is the 28 customizable smart programs, which make cooking a breeze no matter what's on the menu. Whether you're prepping a week's worth of meals or whipping up a quick dinner, the intuitive one-touch options take all the guesswork out of the process. Faster than traditional slow cooking. Perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, the gentle steam release, switch and diffusing cover mean you no longer have to brace yourself for loud or messy steam releases. It's a quieter, safer experience overall. With its 6-quart capacity, this cooker is perfectly sized for families or those who like to meal prep. Cleanup is also incredibly easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, which is a huge plus after a long day. The unit also feels sturdy and secure, with thoughtful safety features like overheat protection, a locking auto-seal lid, and easy grip handles on the inner pot. The inclusion of an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer rack with handles is a nice touch that adds even more versatility. At 1200 watts of power, it heats quickly and performs consistently. Being UL and ULC listed only adds to the peace of mind that it's built to meet safety standards. It preheats 20% faster and cooks up to 70%. This 7-in-1 multifunction pressure cooker is a serious game changer for home cooks who want speed, convenience, and versatility, all without cluttering their kitchen with multiple appliances. With 7 core cooking functions including pressure cook, slow cook, salt, steam, rice, yogurt, and keep warm, it handles everything from weeknight dinners to weekend meal prep like a pro. The 13 one-touch smart programs are thoughtfully designed and take the guesswork out of everything from soups to cakes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, the intuitive controls make it easy to get great results every time. One standout feature is the easy release steam switch, which makes releasing steam both safe and effortless. No more nervous fumbling, just a quick, controlled release every time. In terms of performance, this cooker really delivers. It can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking, saving you hours in the kitchen without compromising flavor. The pro-grade stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom heats evenly and is perfect for searing and sauteing, something non-stick pots just can't replicate. With a 6-quart capacity, it's sized right for families, leftovers, or batch cooking. Cleanup is also refreshingly simple. The dishwasher-safe inner pot and lid mean less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Powering all this is a solid 1,000-watt motor, with safety certifications UL and ULC listed, and over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, like overheat protection and a locking lid for peace of mind every time you cook. The included stainless steel steamer rack is a nice bonus that adds even more versatility right out of the box. This 9-in-1 multi-cooker is hands down one of the most thoughtfully designed appliances I've ever used. From its intuitive dial control to its whisper-quiet steam release, everything about it feels like it was made to simplify cooking without sacrificing quality or peace of mind. With 9 versatile cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sous vide, rice, yogurt, cake, saute, and keep warm, it truly replaces a counter full of gadgets. And it does so with style thanks to the angled control panel that features a clear display, a progress bar, and step-by-step guided cooking using 25 preset recipes. It's perfect for beginners but powerful enough for seasoned cooks. One of the standout features is the silent, safe steam release. The whisper-quiet technology lives up to its name, and the one-touch release button makes steam handling simple and safe, no more loud, startling bursts of steam. Cooking performance is top tier. It cooks up to 70% faster than slow cooking, and the anti-spin tri-ply stainless steel inner pot stays firmly in place while sorting a small detail. That makes a big difference in ease of use. The 6-quart capacity is just right for families, meal preppers, or anyone who likes leftovers. Cleanup is just as easy as cooking, with a dishwasher-safe inner pot and lid that make the whole experience frustration-free. Backed by 1,000 watts of power, UL and ULC certification, and over 10 built-in safety features including overheat protection and a secure sealing lid. This cooker is as safe as it is powerful. I've owned a few multi-cookers in the past, but this one takes it to the next level. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's 10 appliances in one. And I genuinely use most of them, from slow cooking stews on the weekend to quickly making fluffy rice or creamy yogurt during the week. The variety of functions, including sorting and sous vide, makes it my go-to kitchen companion. The intuitive touchscreen is sleek and easy to navigate. And when I'm feeling adventurous, I pair it with the Instant Connect app to try out some of the 2,000+ interactive recipes. The guided cooking is super helpful, especially when multitasking. I love being able to monitor everything from my phone, and yes, you can even release the steam remotely, which still blows my mind. One of the standout features is the NutriBoost technology. It gently pulses while cooking to mix everything, just enough to bring out better textures and flavors. My risottos and soups have never turned out this well before. Also worth mentioning, it's quiet. The Whisperquiet steam release is perfect for early morning meal preps or late night dinners without startling everyone in the house. The build quality is solid to the stainless steel cooking pot with aluminum core heats evenly and doubles beautifully as a stovetop or oven. Dish up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also a dream to clean up. Everything is dishwasher safe, and it comes with thoughtful extras like a steam rack and spare sealing ring. At 6 quarts, it's ideal for our family of 4, but I still have room for leftovers. And with 1,200 watts of power and over 10 built-in safety features, I feel totally confident using it, even during busy weeknights. The 9-in-1 functionality means I can pressure cook, steam, saute, sous vide, make yogurt, and more, all with one small appliance. It's ideal for my small household and takes up minimal counter space. I love the 13 smart programs. They take the guesswork out of cooking and make meals fast and consistent. The status lights are surprisingly handy, letting me see exactly where I am in the cooking process. The stainless steel pot with a tri-ply bottom heats evenly and is great for searing or sauteing. Before pressure cooking and cleanup. Super easy. Both the lid and pot are dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver on busy nights. At 700 watts, it's energy efficient but powerful. And with over 10 safety features, I feel totally at ease using it even if I leave it cooking while I step away. It even has a sterilize function, which is great for baby bottles or jars.